Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel with another wash and go tutorial. Today we'll be doing a wash and go that looks more like the wet look, and these are the products that I will be using. So of course you're going to start on freshly washed hair, and you need to put your moisturizer in first, which is what I am sort of doing here. Yeah, I noticed I didn't rub it all the way through, but anyway, so we're gonna start with small sections. I always start from the back, and you want to try to do this quickly because you don't want your hair to dry out too fast. I start by detangling my hair, and then I will be adding my first product, well, my second product, which is the Styler Kinky Curly Curling Custard. And you just want to rub that all the way through and make sure you do the shingling method, which is rake your hands through the hair like a comb. So to enhance that wet look even more, I add Eco Styler Gel. This one is the olive oil and shea with black castor oil. And I mainly put that on the roots to flatten the hair and to give it a more wetter look at the roots. You want to add that a generous amount. I wouldn't say overdo it, but add enough to your preference. And I'm just going to rub that all the way through the hair, but mainly focusing on the roots. Towards the end, I will actually rub it like all the way through all of my hair. So after you rub that all the way through, you want to flatten down the roots of your hair to keep it flat before you go to the next section. And this is me going to the next section. So you'll just see me basically repeating the same method all the way through. So when you get towards the top or the front of your hair, you want to make sure you're parting your hair in a way that you can put the hair back. When you're like putting your product on, you want to rub the hair in the back style motion versus going down to the side. It's easier for tying it for me. At the end, you'll see why I'm doing it this way. And I was completely running out of product, so this is me trying to really like stretch it all the way for the rest of my hair. It's really scary when you start running out of product and you're almost done, because you don't want your hair to look crazy. But I managed to make it work. But once again, this is me rubbing everything in a backwards style motion, just to give it that wet look going back. If you want to hang it down to the side, you can do that later. But for the purpose of this video, this is the way that I wanted it. And you'll see in just a little bit why I am doing it this way. So after you get all of your styler in, you want to take the Eco Styler gel and you want to make sure you concentrate on the roots of your hair and make sure you rub it all the way through and keep on pressing your hair backwards. This is just how you see me doing it. This is some edge control that I got from the hair store, and I'm going to be using this to kind of lay down my edges, which I suck at, so don't take this video for an edge lay down video. But this right here is something that was recommended to me by someone in the hair store a while back. I've been using it for a while. It's not the best, but you know, really nothing holds my edges down, but it looks fine for right now. So now you see me, I'm going to be braiding it. This is how I keep it preserve the curliness, and for tying up my hair purposes, this is why I braid it. It kind of, I don't know, I just do it. Some people may leave their hair out, but I like to braid my hair, and I just tie my scarf just like this. This is why I had my hair all the way back. It was easier. And that is pretty much it for the tutorial part. Now you're just going to see me taking down the braids and kind of just fluffing it and making it look presentable. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe.